Hi everyone, this is just a little refresher on different reports that you can show parents during conferences. The first thing you need to do is log into Fastbridge, and I'm logged in as Lisa Fritz right now, and then you can go to the reporting tab. Once you're there, you're going to want to scroll down to the Student at a Glance report and click on that. You're going to need to search student for student, so I'm just going to search for one of her students and pull up that student. The first report we're going to be looking at is aReading. So we're going to click on the word graph, and this is going to pull up the student's data. So second grade teachers, you're only going to see one data point because remember, first graders don't take the aReading, so you won't have any information except for the one screening that we've already done. Third, fourth, and fifth grade teachers, you should see more data on your graph. The only reason you wouldn't is if the student just moved into the district and has not taken any other aReadings except the one that you gave. What's nice about this report is when you show it to the parents at conferences, when you do hover over the data points, you will get more information that you can show the parents. You'll see the student score and you'll see some of the norms also come up there. So you're going to see in the fall of 2018, the student's score was 476. And if you scroll down, you're going to see the percentiles. Remember that we are interested in the national percentile. So when we look at his national percentile for the score of 476, we see that he fell within the 17th percentile. Remember that we're hoping that students fall between the 25th and 40th percentile for their instructional level. So this student isn't quite where we would hope he would be. Okay. So you can click Go Back, and we'll take a look at other reports. If your student is being progress monitored, you'll see some other reports in the bottom here, depending on what grade you teach. So we have CBM reading for this student, and we also have comp efficiency. Again, you're going to see more data for different years. So the current data is going to be in this pink colored box. To see any data, all you need to do is click the View Details. So look at CBM reading first. If you do want to click on the no percentile line box, you can put 40 in there and click Go. This will put the 40th percentile line in there so you can show parents how close this child is to hitting that 40th percentile line. Okay, so there are your data points, and if you scroll down, you can see the correct words read per minute, you can see the error rate, you can also scroll down and you can see the scores, the dates, and you can see the incorrect items as well. Okay. I'm going to go back and we'll take a look at, We'll take a look at another report, and that's the comp efficiency. Okay, and this is one that is new for us this year for progress monitoring. So this one is a little bit different. And you'll see as you scroll down, you're going to see some data points here, and the data points look a little bit different. And as we scroll down, you'll see that depending on the dates given, you're going to see that sometimes the comp efficiency is going to be narrative, and sometimes the students are asked to read an informational piece. So that information is down here at the bottom. So you'll see that on the 15th of October, it was a narrative piece that the student read. But when we screened him on the 11th, or on November 1st, it was actually an informational piece. So as we continue to monitor this student, you'll be able to see trends on both of those comprehension portions for the student. So right now we have one data point on each. So as of now, we can't really see any trends to see if he is actually making any improvements on those types of comprehension pieces. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.